Sleeping Cameron. They've been sleeping a long time, and Papa's coming over this morning. So I think we have to wake up the sleeping beauties. Carrie does not like being swaddled. His arms break out. Oh, hello. See his scratch on his face? Yeah, he did that to him. Oh, do you hear me, buddy? Oh, hi. Good morning. Again. Good morning again. Hi. 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 Good morning. Are we gonna wake up? Oh, that's your thumb. Yep, yep. Hi, you. Oh, I got another one up. Another one is up. Hi. Hi. Oh, oh, oh. Bless you. Oh, oh. What's happening to you? I'm coming back to you, Carrie. Oh, that was so cute and I missed it. Hi, we're recording. Oh, there goes Cameron. Mr. Roly-Poly. Mr. Roly-Poly. Yeah, that was a good nap. Boop, boop, there we go. All the way, all the way. Oh, kicking his brother, kicking his brother. Oh, big stretch. Oh. Carrie hasn't rolled onto his tummy yet. But he rolls all the time from his tummy to his back. What? You wanna get up? You wanna get up? You have a little snack? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Okay, we're signing off. Say bye.